we go. There we go.
Alright, it is officially time to say goodbye to some of this. So I had a lot of deliberations and thoughts about this the last few days. I don't know why, honestly, because it's just hair. But I don't mind. I saw some hairstyles that I thought were pretty nice. And I'm looking forward to the change because I am tired of dealing with this long hair every morning. And it's like, it's not a big waste of time, but it's just like, it kind of is a big waste of time.
Definitely wastes some time.
Yeah.
He's cutting everything off.
Not everything.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Oh,
that's today. So, can I make the first cut?
Yeah, you can do that.
Are you okay with that?
I don't know. Do I have to say
What do you mean you don't know? I'm not asking for money.
Go ahead.
Can you tell me first how to turn this on?
Oh, it's on the side. You just flip it up.
Oh my god!
Yo, easy though.
And then, hold on. When you go, right, hold it this way, like this, and you're just gonna go straight into it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it. Are you ready?
I don't know, actually.
There we go. There we go. Now you're good. You're good.
Man, I'm a barber. Tell me why Simas is laughing.
I'm catching up with your ex here.
Why?
Been there. Ooh, the scoring pulled out points in the office. Dry spy and I
Why are you laughing, Simas? What's funny?
Whatever you're feeling, at Panera, it just feels good.
So for some reason, Simas is over there laughing in his chair, and I'm just here laughing as well. The lighting in the shop, though, amazing. So the haircut is done, and honestly, I think I like it a lot, but I don't know if Simas will like it, so let's see what he says. All right, we are here and we are done, and look at who it is.
I don't even know who that is looking back at me.
That's crazy.
Like he said, I gotta train
You
my
have
hair
to
a
train
little
it, right? You look at your haircut is like Jordan Clipper's haircut.
bit. Yeah, because I have a big ass forehead too. So.
Yeah. This coconut water, best thing on the market since Jamaica. Okay guys, so it is officially the next day and we are on the way to Manhattan. What? Just leave it. We're on the way to Manhattan because we're gonna go meet up with my mom to go to this Jamaican restaurant. I don't know if you guys saw our video when we were in Jamaica. We went to this restaurant called Miss Lily's. So Miss Lily's is an international restaurant, guys. They have a restaurant in Jamaica, of course. They have one in Manhattan, and they also have one in Dubai. So if we ever go to Dubai, we're definitely gonna go to Miss Lily's in Dubai, right?
Knock out all of them.
Yeah. Okay, guys. That's the restaurant. Something different about Simas? What do you think? Yes, he cut his hair yesterday. Hey guys, it is Sunday. We're back at it again. Another day, another dollar to spend, right, Simas?
What dollar, bro?
Okay, so today we're actually doing something that I think is it's the epitome of being organized, and it is meal prep. So we're literally cooking like 10 dishes for the entire week, 5 for Simas, 5 for me. And actually we still have some dishes from one of our sponsors, actually today's video sponsor, Factor.
Before we continue, I want to say a special thanks to today's video sponsor, Factor. Since we got back to the US, we've been living some really crazy busy lives. It's probably been like over 5 days since I even had a chance to call my parents. Yeah, it's been that hectic. Luckily, Factor is here to help. There's no hassle of prepping, cooking, or cleaning up. Just heat it and eat it. If you're worried about price or taste, it's way cheaper than takeout, and it tastes delicious too. Not to mention there are different weekly menus for everyone, including over 35 options like Calorie Smart, Keto, Protein Plus, Vegan, and Veggie options too. I first discovered Factor as a perk of a job I had a little while ago. I really loved it then, and now that I'm back in the US and whenever I work from home, Factor is my go-to solution for lunch from home. I highly recommend you guys to try Factor too. To get started, head over to factor75.com, use our code, and get 50% off plus free shipping on your first box. Use our code at factor75.com to get 50% off plus free shipping on your first Factor box. Thanks again to Factor for sponsoring this video. Now let's get back to the rest of it.
I'm actually really excited. I'm gonna show you guys the finished product. We're almost done. It is almost 2 o'clock and I'm almost done doing this already. So I'm so happy. So stick around for like 5 minutes or so. I'm gonna show you guys all the food that we made. And I highly recommend doing meal prep if you have just like a really busy schedule.
What I highly recommend is this.
Oh, guys!
This came straight from Jamaica.
My dad just came back from Jamaica and he brought me some jerk sauce. He also brought me some dog blood bush, or is it dogwood? I have no idea what it's called because I always mix it up. Dog blood or dogwood? Which one?
It's
is
definitely
it?
not dogwood.
Dog
I
blood.
don't know if it's dog bush blood or dog blood bush.
It's blood. How could it be bush blood? It has to be blood bush. Anyways, guys, Caracos. I can't talk. Okay, guys, correct us in the comments. Honestly, I know you guys will, so I don't even have to tell you. But yeah, I've been drinking this only 2 days now because we're not really trying to get pregnant anymore, but I still need to regulate my menstrual cycle. So yeah, we're drinking this. Also, I have a lot more to tell you guys. So as usual, Simas is on the 1s and 2s. He's actually helping me out today. Last time I did this whole like meal prep thing by myself while this guy went to play basketball. But yeah, he's seasoning up some meat here. Chicken actually. And so far, this is what we got. This is quinoa and this is lentils with some cilantro on top. We have some salmon over here. This is the only part of the dish that's done. Salmon with lentils, and I'm gonna put some broccoli in there too. So that's gonna be one dish. Over here though, guys, we have grounded turkey with a lot of seasoning in it, like a lot of stuff going on. So I just realized something, and I think it's kind of late in the game for me to just be realizing this. I think from now on, we're gonna be doing weekly vlogs where you just see like a few days in our lives rather than us vlogging about a particular topic, because to be honest, not that much happens in our lives for us to be vlogging about it every single day or every 2 days. So it's gonna be a compilation of what we're doing in the week, and I think that would definitely be better rather than just coming up with some random topic for the sake of making a video, right, Simas?
Yeah, once in a while, maybe.
I don't know. Maybe, yeah, like yeah.
Birthday trip coming.
They don't care about our trips.
No, I do.
I care about our trips, but yeah, we might do special events, but mostly it's gonna be like a week in our life, and I think that would be definitely more manageable and attainable for us. But let me show you what's going on with the food because I think I snapped. This is probably the healthiest spread I've ever made and the highest protein. Like, I'll show you guys. There's like one for Simas, one for me. Obviously, Simas has more chicken and more quinoa. So that's the first dish. We actually have a repeat of this. So grounded turkey, some green beans with some quinoa for both dishes. Then over here we have some chicken breast that's like chopped small with broccoli, quinoa. So yeah guys, that is the meal prep for the week, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in the morning. Maybe we'll have another update to this vlog, and yeah, sailing through the week. That's how we sail through the week, guys. It is later in the day and we are gonna go to the store because the other day we went to the stores, we bought some clothes, and when we left the building, the alarms went off. So we walked back inside and we were like, hey, the alarms are going off. And the guy was like, basically checked 3 of the items in the bag and we're like, yeah, nothing's wrong, you guys can go. And we left and the alarm was okay. And then when we got home, we realized that 2 of the things still have tags on them. So we're going to H&M to go return these items or to get the tags removed off of them. Alright guys, that is the infamous bag that almost got us to go to jail. Right?
Big waste of time is what it is.
Yeah. Oh no, look, it's happening.
Yep.
Yep. Look, we set off those just now. This is so freaking funny. It's hitting, the sun is like hitting in the worst ways. But that was more successful than I thought it would have went. The girl just asked for the receipt and she just undid it. It actually didn't want to come off, which I don't know why, but now we're gonna go over to ShopRite, which we haven't been to since we've been back, right?
Maybe
once or twice.
Maybe once by my parents, maybe, but
yeah, but we usually avoid ShopRite. Like, it's usually not our go-to supermarket, but we're gonna go pick up some plantains because this guy wants plantains with his salmon and mouthwash. So I'm gonna grab that and go back and cook while I'm here. So what do you guys prefer to shop? Where do you guys prefer to shop? Do you shop at ShopRite? Do you shop at Whole Foods? Are you like a Trader Joe's person? I think we're more of like Whole Foods. We used to shop at Trader Joe's a lot, but there's not one that close. Well,
there's one, but it's not that good.
Yesterday we went, we couldn't find most of the stuff we wanted. So,
yeah.
But where do you guys shop? I think that it's locked.
Looks like ShopRite is closed today, which is understandable because it's a holiday.
Yeah.
So we're gonna either check Acme or Target. I think we should be able to get what we need at either of those.
Yeah. Remember you were saying why so many people outside? It makes a lot of sense now.
But BJ's next to the open, so.
Oh, okay, let's go. Guys, we decided to go to Acme instead, but over there, if you guys can see, that was our old stomping grounds, the Popeyes. That Popeyes are right there. But we don't do that anymore.
You wanna go?
Right? All right, let's go. Nah, I'm looking forward to this plantain and salmon.
Alright guys, so looks like the food is almost ready. Take a look. This is what we're having for dinner tonight.
It's a cheat night kind of night.
Is it? I remember you were just bragging about how healthy we eat, and here we are knocking down plantains.
Plantains are not unhealthy. They actually have a lot of carbs and it keeps you full for longer. It's how much plantains you eat and the type of oil that you fry it in.
What kind of oil do we fry it in?
We fry it in olive oil, which is also not the best for frying, but it's way less calories. And yeah, some fish and some veggies. See? Veggies on the side, as always. But yeah, that is going to be it for this video, guys. We don't have anything else to say because we don't eat and talk, right?
So yeah guys, that's gonna be it for this one. We're gonna definitely enjoy this meal, and look, salad on the side. You see salad on the side. So that's a very key part of the meals too. But anyway guys, that is gonna be it for this one. We I think it's a piece of fish in my throat.
Spicy sauce.
No. But anyway guys, that's gonna be it for this one. We're gonna call it a day and the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it,
And see you guys next week for the next weekly vlog. Bye.